All right, guys, you know what they say, it's quiet before the storm, and it is cold out right now, and it is about to snow. I think it might be dumping, actually. We might be getting like a foot of snow, maybe like 20 inches, maybe 11, who knows. But stay tuned to this awesome episode of Snowskate Tutors, because we're gonna get some dope footage. All right, guys, the storm has started. It's just starting to snow, so we're gonna see what happens. Getting a layer right now. It's definitely plenty cold to snow because it feels like it's in the 20s, and it's gonna be light powdery snow, which we never get here in Pennsylvania. So it should be perfect for Ambition Snowskating. So stay tuned for Snowskate Tutors. Thanks, Dad. All right, guys, we just got done. The first part of the storm starting to come down right now, and we got all day tomorrow to get some rail footage. So yeah, I got some flip tricks today. Stay tuned for the next part of the episode. Storm's coming down. All right, guys, this is the second day of the storm, and we got about like 8 inches here, and me, my brother, my father shoveled the driveway this morning, and now we're setting up the snowskate setup, guys. So we're gonna set up the rail right here. We got the rail going here, and we're gonna set up the rail right here in the driveway, and yeah, get some front boards, board sides, shoves out, 50/50s, we'll see. I'm trying to stay safe. Try to stay safe, stay healthy. All right, guys, it's day 3 of the Snowskate episode and of the snowstorm. It's day 3 of the snowstorm, guys, and we're gonna go try to get some warm-up runs right now, and just cruising down the hill. Probably gonna set up this kayak over here. I'm gonna try to board slide it without dying on it. One of these kayaks up here. We're gonna see if we can do some board slides on it without having to go to the hospital. All right, you guys, it's a beautiful day. So sit back and get ready for Snowskate Tutors, day 3 of the snowstorm. Here we go. Do it. So yeah, day 4. We got a couple little board slides on this baby. Yeah, probably gonna have to come there tomorrow because I wasn't satisfied with the shot, but good day, good learning experience, didn't get hurt. 31 years old, hit a grand slam here back in grade school, right down the line, right over here. So yeah, maybe I got another board slide on this tomorrow. So stay tuned to the end of this Skate Tutors Snowskate episode. Make sure you guys smash the like. Make sure you guys comment on the videos about my snow skating. And make sure you guys subscribe. And have a great holiday, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. That video was filmed in 5 days. Hopefully we'll be able to film Snowskate Part 2.5 coming up if we get any more snow. One last thing, if you want to see more snow skating videos, click the box right here. Peace out.